Why hello! It's been well over a minute since the last time I posted a video on this channel. In fact, it's been 1009 days since my last post here on YouTube. But I suppose it's better late than never. So, what you're seeing on screen is a commissioned logo from quite a while ago. The client wanted a pirate skull and gave me free rein to depict that. If you have followed me in the past, you know that I never object to drawing skulls, so this product suited me perfectly. Naturally, before I started the project, I took my time and did the necessary pirate research for this project. I figured that this project would be a suiting first video to start with after my big hiatus. I have a few bigger videos that I will post soon, but I wanted to ease back into things first. Here, I'm sketching out some rough ideas based on what I think would work for the logo. I'm mainly trying to figure out if I've understood the overall idea of what the client wants stylistically. I always find it easier to start with a lot of details, almost like a regular illustration, and thereafter remove details to find the right visual balance for the logo. The sketch is, as always, created in Adobe Photoshop. I'm using the default round brush, and I'm of course drawing on my trusty Wacom Tablet, which is 14 years old as of making this video, but it still works great. As with any commission, I try and keep the variations quite similar, but more or less offer different styles for the client to choose from. This particular logo was pretty straightforward, and I had a solid concept of what I thought it should look like from the brief that the client gave me. Once I had enough variations of the logo, I sent it over to the client for the first round of feedback. This round went really well, and the preferred look was to remove accessories and stick with the basics. The client wanted me to try and remove the lower jaw of the skull and add crossed bones with blades. Once I had made the changes to the sketch, I sent it over again, and this time it was finally approved. This meant that I could start the vectorization process in Adobe Illustrator. Illustrator is still my go-to tool for vector graphics, which allows me to create scalable, high-quality graphics, which I'm sure most of you already knew, but perhaps some of you are new viewers or new to graphic design and illustration. With the line art done, I can finally add a white base color and change the background to black. I did not go too crazy with coloring, mostly due to the fact that it's a logo and I wanted to limit the colors to a maximum of 7 colors. I decided to go with a grayscale color palette for the shadows and highlights, as well as a golden accent color for some of the details. Hopefully you find this video entertaining. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to see more of these types of videos. And if you're a previous viewer of mine, I sincerely thank you for sticking around all this time. I will be releasing videos every week going forward, and I already have videos planned for a few months ahead of time. Even though I took a big hiatus from YouTube, I've still recorded all the art that I've made during my time off, so there's no shortages of videos to come. So do make sure to tune in next Sunday for another video. Anyways, we're running out of time for this video, so I will shut up and cue the music for the final reveal. And there we have it. I'm very happy with the outcome of the logo, and most importantly, the client was happy with the logo. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you all in the next one.